sure Santa will notice you in the games, Rudolph.
I'm sure he'll notice you too, Zoey.
Yeah, I'm really glad we're friends.
Me too.
Yes, indeed, boasted Thomas.
But
what?
What I mean to say is...
It's for luck.
Gosh, Zoey.
Last one out for Rotten Egg.
Once a year, we hold these games to honor the mighty reindeer who draw my sleigh every Christmas Eve. May the flyers of tomorrow be discovered today. Ho, 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 ho. Let the games begin.
And now, for the first event of opening day, the sleigh race.
You're wearing Zoey's pendant.
She just gave it to me for luck.
Hey, she's my dough. Understand?
She's not a trophy, and you shouldn't treat her like one.
Huffed Thomas.
On your mark, get set, and they're off. Arrow's racing dirty.
We can still beat him!
Go, Rudolph, go!
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Zoey's only nice to you because she feels sorry for you.
That's not true!
Yes, it is. She told me so.
Holy cow! Rudolph wins! You're disqualified for illegal use of a glowing red nose.
But...
You're banned from the rest of the games. Sorry, Rudolph.
Not your fault, Doggle.
The judges rule, Arrow, winner by default.
Disgraceful, mumbled Gordon. Disgusting, said James. Despicable, spluttered Henry.
Oh, Santa, that's just not fair.
But Mama, the judge has the final decision, not us.
You cheated.
So what? The point is, I won, and Santa's gonna notice me.
You're no flyer, Arrow. Flyers are brave, and they have character and true hearts, like Rudolph.
But he has a red nose.
Oh, you're so shallow.
But Zoey...
I don't want to be your dough friend anymore.
Our next event is the leaping contest.
But you can't throw him out of the games!
Sorry, the decision is final.
Gordon, James, and Henry were furious.
But the nose problem isn't his fault. He was born that way. That nose of his was an accident.
Thomas puffed sadly away.